In this video, I'm going to show you how to make background blur in CapCut PC. So let's jump in the screen. Okay, first thing first, open CapCut PC. So here is our CapCut PC interface. We need to import some elements. Click on import, select the element, hit open, and drag the video into timeline. If I just mute the track and make a playback, so as you can see, this background is not blurred, but we want to make it blur. So how can we do it? Right click on the clip, select copy, right click on the blank track and click on paste. So just drag the video in left. So we have two video clips now. One is upper layer and one is down layer. Okay, so I need to remove background from upper layer. So select the upper layer video and hit on remove busy. Click on auto removal. Wait for the finish the processing. Okay, background removed successfully. If I just turn off the bottom layer, as you can see, this video haven't any kind of background. So what is the plan is, we are going to use this background and we are going to use main face cam from this layer. To make it blur, we need to click on effect, click on search option and type blur. Hit enter. So as you can see, here is 4 kind of blur. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you must need to select this one. If you select this one, there will be a problem. What is the problem? Let me show you. If I just drag the effect in here, you can adjust the start and end point of the effect. If you want to just place the effect in ending, you can adjust it. So it will not affect the beginning part of video. If I just show you, it's not a blurred, and if I just drag it here, it's blurred. But the problem is I can't control the intensity of the blur. So just right click and delete the effect. And if I just drag this one, not this or this one, this one must be this one. If I just drag and drop it into the full video layer, I can control the intensity of the blur, isn't it? So I just need to reduce this much. It's perfect. And one more free advice is, if you want to make it more perfect, scale up the upper layer or the face layer. It's mean this layer, face layer. You need to just go to basic and scale up a little bit, like 104. It will be more perfect at this layer. So if I just make a playback now, so that's how you can make blur background in CapCut PC.